Assessment of renal function in animals is most reliably done by evaluating glomerular filtration. The most important laboratory test for this purpose is measurement of blood urea nitrogen, serum albumin, urine specific gravity, serum creatinine. And the correct answer is option D, that is serum creatinine. Which antifungal drug also possesses anti-amoebic activity and is effective against Entamoeba histolytica? Nystatin, amphotericin B, clotrimazole, griseofulvin. And the correct answer is option C, that is clotrimazole. Epsom salt, commonly used as an osmotic laxative and cathartic in veterinary practice, is chemically known as sodium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium carbonate, potassium chloride. And the correct answer is option B, that is magnesium sulfate. In pigeons, normal embryonic development under optimal incubation conditions results in hatching after an incubation period of approximately 12 to 14 days, 15 to 16 days, 17 to 18 days, 21 to 22 days. And the correct answer is option C, that is 17 to 18 days. In birds, immediately after ovulation, the ovum is captured and remains for about 15 minutes in which part of the reproductive tract? Uterus or Schell gland, magnum, isthmus, infundibulum. And the correct answer is option D, that is infundibulum. Pyridoxine is the chemical name of which vitamin that functions mainly as a coenzyme in amino acid metabolism? Vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. And the correct answer is option C, that is vitamin B6. Goitrogens are anti-nutritional factors present in some poultry feed ingredients that interfere with iodine metabolism and primarily affect which organ? Liver, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas. And the correct answer is option B, that is thyroid gland. The epithelium lining the stomach, gallbladder, and most parts of the gastrointestinal tract is specialized for secretion and absorption and is classified as stratified squamous epithelium, simple squamous epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium, simple columnar epithelium. And the correct answer is Option D, that is simple columnar epithelium. In dairy cattle, milk synthesis requires a substantial amount of water. Approximately how much water is needed to produce 1 kg of milk? 1 to 2 liters, 2 to 3 liters, 3 to 4 liters, 6 to 8 liters. And the correct answer is option C, that is 3 to 4 liters. For laboratory diagnosis of lungworm infections, which parasitological technique is specifically used to recover live larvae from fecal samples? Direct smear, flotation technique, sedimentation technique, Biermann technique. And the correct answer is option D, that is Biermann technique. Translation: the process of protein synthesis from messenger RNA occurs at which site within the cell? Nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes, Golgi apparatus. And the correct answer is option C, that is ribosomes. In arthropods, respiration occurs through a tracheal system with oxygen entering the body via external openings known as tracheae, spiracles, book lungs, gills. And the correct answer is option B, that is spiracles. Cartilage is a specialized connective tissue and its mature cells embedded within lacunae are known as osteocytes, fibroblasts, chondrocytes, adipocytes. And the correct answer is option C, that is chondrocytes. For routine ophthalmic examination in animals, which nerve block is commonly used to prevent blinking by causing eyelid akinesia? Auriculopapibral nerve block, infraorbital nerve block, retrobulbar nerve block, optic nerve block. And the correct answer is option A, that is auriculopapibral nerve block. The scientific study that examines the relationship between humans and animals and the effects they have on each other is known as ethology, ecology, anthropology, anthrozoology. And the correct answer is option D, that is anthrozoology. In semen cryopreservation, the method in which semen is first diluted gradually and then frozen in straws without direct exposure to liquid nitrogen is known as pellet method, direct freezing method, French method, vapor freezing method. And the correct answer is option C, that is French method or straw method. In artificial insemination, an ideal sperm diluent should protect spermatozoa from cold shock and provide energy. The best commonly used sperm diluent is egg yolk citrate, normal saline, glucose solution, distilled water. And the correct answer is option A, that is egg yolk citrate. Histamine is a biologically active substance involved in inflammation and allergic reactions and is best classified as hormone, enzyme, biogenic amine, prostaglandin. And the correct answer is option C, that is biogenic amine. Most congenital abnormalities arise due to disturbances during the critical period of organ formation, which primarily occurs in which developmental stage? Gamete stage, zygote stage, embryonic stage, fetal stage. And the correct answer is option C, that is embryonic stage. Double-stranded DNA carries which type of net electrical charge due to its phosphate backbone? Positive, neutral, negative, variable. And the correct answer is option C, that is negative.